PCOS symptoms can be very confusing and frustrating. Often you lose control of your body and feel like you don't recognize your own self anymore. But you are not alone. PCOS is one of the most common yet puzzling health disorder that is affecting the women of 21st century. Women are constantly bombarded on professional and personal end. This pushes their hormone balance upside down, leading to PCOS symptoms. On top of it, the food and environment which we encounter is full of toxic chemicals which rip out the normal functioning of our body cells. This further creates hormone imbalance disorders such as PCOS. It is estimated that nearly 1 in every 10 women have PCOS. There could be more though, because for most of the women, the syndrome just remains uncovered and they are not able to get proper diagnosis. In this video, I will share with you signs and symptoms of PCOS that you should know, as well as the risks of PCOS that you should not ignore. Let's get started. PCOS symptoms are unique to every woman as different hormones get disturbed, leading to her specific health symptoms. However, some common PCOS symptoms do start appearing as one starts struggling with the common hormone imbalances that are specifically present in PCOS. Here are some of the first signs of PCOS. Absent or irregular periods. Your periods could be appearing after a delay of more than 35 days, or they may not be appearing at all. And when they come, they bring excessive pain as well as clotted blood flow or maybe heavy bleeding, which doesn't seem to be in control even with multiple uses of pads and tampons. As a result of multiple hormones getting disturbed, you may be experiencing extreme mood swings and PMS before your period begins as well as during your periods. Another sign of hormone imbalances that usually appear in PCOS could be extremely painful periods with bloating and digestive problems. You may lose your appetite completely just before your period begins. Another sign of PCOS is weight gain around abdominal area in specific, or excessive weight gain within a short duration of time, or difficult to lose weight no matter what you try. Facial hair growth or excessive hair growing in some parts of your body which don't usually have hair. Hair loss and hair thinning is another sign which usually appears due to hormone imbalances that take place during PCOS. And your skin gets affected as well. You may experience skin breakouts and severe presence of acne, or you may experience dark patches on your skin or black spots on your skin at different parts, specifically the neck or your arms, underarms, as well as your abdominal area. Now, the extent to which a health symptom appears in a woman depends on her specific hormone imbalances as well as the extent to which a specific hormone is disturbed. For example, if you have high insulin resistance, you may experience difficult to lose weight as well as irregular periods, but your periods may still come. Or if you have high androgen levels, then you may experience excessive facial hair, or you may go through cystic acne which breaks out nearly all the time. Now, your health risks are also depending on the level of your hormone imbalance as well as which hormones are playing a role in your specific symptoms. For example, if you are going through high insulin resistance, then you may be prone to the health risk of diabetes, hypertension, or even gestational diabetes if you are looking to get pregnant. Now, why this happens is because insulin also takes part in your metabolism. It's one of the key hormones which directs the placement of your energy as well as your fat metabolism. And when insulin gets disturbed, your fat profile gets disturbed. You may be struggling with high cholesterol levels, which may put you at risk of developing diseases related to metabolic dysfunction such as diabetes, hypertension, and metabolic syndrome. So you need to start making specific changes in your diet and lifestyle to bring insulin into balance. Now, another health risk which women with PCOS struggle with is autoimmune diseases, which get triggered due to high level of inflammation in your body. And this usually happens for women who are going through high levels of stress, nutritional deficiency, as well as high levels of androgen as a result of it. Now, when you have all of this mixed together, specifically high cortisol resulting from high stress levels, then you are prone to developing autoimmune disorders because your body is at a very high alert of inflammation and your immune system is suppressed by high cortisol levels. So you need to start making suitable changes in your diet and lifestyle to address the reasons of that stress as well as address your nutritional deficiencies. Now, that was all about your PCOS symptoms, the specifics that you need to know about your own case and hence try to resolve your symptoms accordingly, and also the health risks that you should be aware of so that you can start taking action now and avoid these problems later on. That's all for now. Wishing you vibrant health. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.